Sri Vasan retired as principal consultant from Infosys, whose hobbies are reading and playing with art and acrylic and oil media. And he has been nice enough to talk on the topic with reference to living the present with experience in the past. I thank Mr. Vasan very much and please be benefited by his wonderful talk. Thank you, Sri Vasanji.
Hello, it's my pleasure to be a part of this project Life as It Is. Some random thoughts that came to my mind I wish to share with you. Life as it is, in my personal experience, is living the present with the experience of the past. Now, unless we enjoy the present to its fullest, with the experience that we have gained in the past, is what is going to give us the maximum out of life. Not that I am saying you should not be concerned about future, but enjoying the present is of more value than worrying much about the past or the future. I'd like to state it with a very simple example which each one of us would have encountered in our lifetime. When we attend a function, may it be a marriage or just a get together of people, we tend to be preoccupied with our device, especially these days with our mobile, and also with the thoughts as to what is happening at our office. So the result is our focus is more on to the things that are likely to happen rather than to worry about things or enjoy the things that are happening right before our eyes. Now this puts us into a lot of discomfort. The discomfort one being that we are not able to connect with the people or the function for which we have been present there. Also, we miss the fun and the enjoyment for which the people invited us to be a part of that function. So this I personally feel is a very simple example to tell as to what is the necessity for us to enjoy the present. And this holds good for much of our activity in life. Wherever we are doing something, we need to be more focused, more enjoying the present. Of course, with the experience that we have gained out of our past. And this will take us further a long way. So I have found it to be extremely useful in my life. The second aspect is I consider life is full of pleasant and memories that you leave behind. So when I say memories that we leave behind, is those memories which we leave behind for all the people who have interacted with us, especially our friends and relatives who would like to recall after our departing this world as to what sort of a person we were. So my personal choice would be to enjoy the life as it is in present and leave some very good pleasant memories